what is it one advice or few advice that you would like to give youngsters who come into this space now or coming out of college?
I would say that we should always stick to our old techniques and learn more from the newer ones, and still start from the older techniques of sketching, figuring out stuff, and then maybe taking alongside AI would be a better approach than starting on the computers first handedly. Sketching is better. It gives you way out, it gives you analysis of that particular thing more better than coming it on a computer and then saying that, oh no, I did this wrong. But when you are sketching, you are actually taking care of all those noted points that you have to.
Bro, there has to be a blend of as much as we still like sketching, and most of our thought process gets clearer if we use our hand and visualize it by our eyes.
It's like writing, no?
It's never writing कि लिख लो तो point याद हो जाता है.
हाँ.
And we were actually stuck into this thing. Personally, I was at a site and I clicked a photo and I said to myself that यार ये कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ सही नहीं है. We can do something better. And it was a Sunday afternoon somewhere in Indonesia, and I picked up my iPad and started searching how do I transform this image into what I want it to be. And that photo that I had clicked, I used that image and got my result out.
That is what it is. So now, if you see all the AIs and everything have those sketchy modes, and they know that that is attached to a person's. Actually, what your intention is, you can draw it, and that is why you see all the gadgets have sketch modes.
So if you know what input you have to put, then only you will get that desired output.
Yeah.
So, and for that input, it's your choice then. You want it to be a sketch, you want it to be words, you want it to be lines, a keyword.
And also, when we were working in UK, so I would say that, the Western countries are right now only presenting in concept as hand sketches till now as concepts.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's very interesting.
Yeah.
right? Even now.
Even now.
Even now. The first presentation is a hand sketch.
And even today, when we work with our foreign partners on a couple of projects, we like them. We say that, yes, that's design, that's architecture. Why do we need to stick to these machines and tools of learning wherein you have hands to draw and that can communicate your
And your
ideas?
initial, all like 1 or 2 presentations, whatever we do together with them, they have all those initial sketches. They do start with the scratch, like a sketch, full presentation, full plans are hand sketch.